Feel.
How much is it if you land on one of them?
Which cheap one?
Wow. Winning an award.
What the fuck?
Dancing.
Day 2 without power. We are charging our phone in the car. This is great.
You done me and you bet I felt it. Tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. Fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back.
Day 2. I cannot see you.
Am I that dark?
We've had no power for 48 hours. I hope tomorrow will be better. And we also got no service, so I cannot talk to anyone. I don't know what the rest of the world is doing, but I'll be good. At least I have my friends. Hope I can talk to my family and my boyfriend soon. Day 3. Going to start my car. Warm up it a little bit. Everything starts to turn into ice. It's really dangerous to drive right now because it's raining also. So, yeah. It's melting. Look what I found. This is the water that I left in the car. It's frozen. What are you doing right now? Look at the water. We are running low on water. And we might possibly get water outage. So we need to keep some water for later. Here.
Oh, she caught one.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, that's not bad. That's
Yeah.
not bad. You sent me that video? That's
Yes.
killer.
Yes.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Terrible.
Bad.
That's my dog again.
You're so rich.
Oh, I'm at my own place. Hold on. 6 again.
That's fine. 26.
Coach brought us some food. We're so happy. Are you happy?
I'm so happy.
Yay!
Pasta tastes so good.
Yes. Okay, yes. We will
And we have
survive
jerky.
for maybe 3 more days.
I'd say one.
We just ate and we are playing again.
I'm winning.
Yay.
$50. What the heck? He's leaving us.
Where are you going, Fabian?
He's
To warmer places.
Aww. You
At
are
least
leaving
someone's
us.
out of this apartment. He was saved by the grace of Ben and Evan.
Bye.
Good luck.
No. Yay! We are going to get food in Cal. Let's go. We cannot drive fast though.
No shit.
But you are. No, the car behind is faster. Oh. Driving 50 miles per hour. Jerry, how's you doing over there?
Boom, boom, boom. Food, food, food.
Right now we are at somewhere trying to get food, but there's no food because everyone wants to get food. So now we are going to a dollar store to get some candles. Yeah, all the lines are so long. I hope we survive. Yay! Wow, look, there is no food left. Wow, 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 wow. Nothing. Nothing.
we found one place that might be open.
Oh, it smells really
Pokeball! Guys, we got food! Maybe. I hope so.
We are.
We are at Saltgrass and we can order. Yay, yay, yay. Yes! Food from Saltgrass. We got good dinner. We spent $30 each, so. But never mind. Our place is hot. Wow. Are you happy?
I'm so happy.
Yes.
The happiest I've been in 21 years.
Yay! Oh my gosh! And you know what's funny? Other people got power, but not our building. Not us, not our building.
Look at us.
Push got us more food. We're so happy. We can survive more days.
One more day.
Yeah. Good morning. It's so windy outside. Look, and it's snowing again. What? Oh my gosh. Day 4 without electricity. I slept with so many blankets because it was so cold. This is great. I'm coming to charge my car again. It's snowing. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright because I like the way it hurts. Oh my gosh, we just got power! Yay! Hi guys, we're at HEB again. It's
And
open
there's no
now.
food.
There's no food again.
There's no chicken. Where did all the chickens go?
But at least we got electricity now, so we're gonna try to find some food and maybe we can cook. People are trying to get some food, but there's no food. Dinner for tonight. We got power now. Goodbye world. Goodbye world. It's been a fun week with you guys.
You're gonna leave this apartment?
Hopefully there's no more snowstorm.
She's gonna leave us. Bye.
Bye.
Au revoir. Bye bye.